Hello everyone, I'm Sivani and today I came with some question words which you use every day in your daily life. If you will watch this video carefully, I'm sure you will be able to remember it at once. So let's get started. First word is how long. How long we can say when we want to ask question about time. If we want to know amount of time like minutes, days, weeks, months, years, so we can ask question from how long. For example, how long have you been using this application? And if you will say how long time have you been using this application, so this is incorrect. How long time, this is incorrect. We should never ever use how long time. How long is enough for asking question about time. Next word is how many times. This is how many times, not how many time. How many times means kitni baar. How many times we can say when we want to ask question about a specific number of any activity. For example, how many times have you read this book? How many times did you watch this movie? And answer always should be once, twice, 10 times, 100 times, 1000 times. Now next is how old. How old means kitna purana. How old we can say when we want to ask age of someone or something. For example, how old are you? How old is your child? How old is your house? Now next word is how often. How often means kab kab. How often we can say when we want to ask question about frequency of activities. Let's understand with example. How often do you drink tea in a day? Maybe once or twice. And if you are drinking more than it, so this is not good for our health. How often do you go to gym? How often do you watch reels on Instagram? Now next word is how far. How far means kitna dur. How far we can say when we want to ask question about distance. How far is your home from railway station? How far do you live from your company? How far is Delhi from here? Now next word is next word are how much and how many. We will learn it together. There is less difference between how much and how many. Both we can say when we want to ask question about quantity of something. But what is difference between how much and how many? How much we can say for uncountable things like how much money, how much sugar, how much water, and how many we can say for countable things like how many books, how many pens, how many chairs, how many rooms. Now let's understand it with examples. How much money do you have? How much milk in the fridge? How much information do you have about her? Let's see some example from how many. How many books do you have? How many teachers are there in your school? How many people work in your company? So today we learned how to ask questions from how long, how many times, how old, how often, how far, how much, and how many. I hope you understand this, and if you found this video useful, so please like and subscribe it. We will meet soon in next video. Thanks for watching.